Hello guys, welcome back to Morningstar. So this it's already 20 minutes past 11 p.m. now, and I'm a bit late. I'm posting a video a bit late because I had a really long day. Anyway, so like I mentioned in one of my previous videos, we started mining Bitcoin, guys. You'll be able to see the interface here, right? I'm using two active rigs. All right, that is basically two CPUs which are mining, and you can see my total assets here, that is 2000, almost 2260 rupees, something like that. And you will also be able to see the estimated earnings. All right, if you go to history and stats, you'll be able to see the projected weekly income is 4200 rupees, the monthly income is rupees 18,000, and the yearly income here, right? So this is the Bitcoin mining that we started. So yeah, hopefully this goes well. But the major point of this video is to discuss about a stock that looks promising now, which has given a multi-year breakout, right guys? You will be able to see the stock here, which is ACC, right? ACC Cements, I think. Yes, ACC Cements, the famous, right, the stock from Scam 1992, not that, yeah, right, the Harshad Mehta stock. So the reason why I'm making a video now about the stock is you'll be able to see it here. This stock has given a multi-year breakout. All right, now if you scroll back out a bit, you'll be able to see that previously the stock has faced multiple rejections here at the trend zone that we have drawn here. This resistance zone it has faced multiple rejections there, 1 2 3 times. So this happened back in October 2017, and also in January 2018. Now you will be able to see that the trend zone has been broken. So this is a multi-year breakout today. That's on the 23rd of March. It's a multi-year breakout in the day time frame. Also, the stock has been creating this beautiful pattern here. You'll be able to draw this trend line at the top, connecting the top and wicks of the candles at the top, and also at the bottom you'll be able to draw this trend line. It is optional if you're going long this. It's not entirely compulsory that you need to draw that trend line at the bottom, but we'll draw it here nonetheless. Now you can see here that a breakout. You can see here that the stock has given a breakout from the long-term resistance zone and also the trend line that we have drawn at the top. Now what we are expecting tomorrow is a retrace which will basically, I think, test this trend line and then it will go up. We have not planned the exit right now as such, because this is trading at an all-time high. If you switch over to the weekly time frame, you'll be able to see that the stock is trading at an all-time high. So we'll improvise the exit. Anyway, for the time being, you can keep the stock in your watch list. All right, like I always say, this is not a stock recommendation or a call of any kind. Now also, previously I don't exactly remember when I posted this video. Alembic, this is a video that I posted. If you haven't not watched this video, please go ahead and watch it. It's available in my channel. Alembic, I had posted the trade I suggested this trade somewhere around here when this consolidation was happening, and today you can see that this happened right in the 1 day time frame. 9.5 million units of stock traded. Big volume burst here, and the stock has broken free of this pattern. The trend line, it has broken convincingly. This is a bullish candle, right? Because there's only a small wick at the top. I was unfortunately not able to get into the stock because I missed this move. If you switch over to the 1 hour time frame, you'll be able to see that the breakout happened here. Now I would have put the entry here somewhere along the trend line, but I missed the stock, missed the move. So yeah, it happens, right? It happens. Anyway, we have other stocks in our watch list too, so hopefully we won't miss those moves. So that is it, guys. You can keep this ACC in your watch list, and if you feel convinced enough, you can enter the trade. So yeah, that is about it. Thank you.